To record sounds on POCO X7 Pro, you have to start by opening your recorder, which is located here. And right now, you should actually simply click on the settings icon before you start recording, because you can actually change some settings. Like for example, the recording format. I'm recording always in the MP3. You can also change recording quality. So if you want to get the best quality, go for the highest one. And also you can, for example, mute ringer when recording, or use the earpiece mode. So we can play audio using the earpiece speaker. And now if you want to start recording, just click right here and accept all of these notifications. Now if you want to mark something on this record, click right here. If you want to finish this recording, then you can just click here. And as you can see now, it's just right here. When you click and hold it, you can rename, you can share, or you can simply save this record straight into your specific folder on Google Files. This is all. Please leave a like and subscribe.